Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Ask Your Question. So today we are going to do the unboxing of Summon Immunity Booster, which is an Ayurvedic immunity booster. It includes 14 herbs that are ajwain, peepal, kali mirch, dhania, etc. We can mix it with tea, hot water, or with milk, as what you prefer. And if we talk about its benefits, then it is good for our health and it keeps our body cool. And in this box there are 100 sachets. I'll just let you show you one sachet. Summon 100% natural. It is an instant Ayurvedic care. So it is, you can say that it is an Ayurvedic immunity booster. And as you know that it's corona time, so it's better that you buy it to increase your immunity. You can just prefer this, and if you want, the link is given in the description, and it does not include paid promotion. So it's a very helpful thing, and if helpful thing for your body, and it just only costs 10 rupees. So this was the unboxing of Summon the immunity booster, which is consists of 14 herbs.
Hey guys, so I'm going to make some Mahan tea. It's a water, or you can say tea, and you can drink it as 3 times in a day. And I'm making today 3 cups. You can make according to your, like according to you कि आपको कितना पीना है, you can make it. And we'll boil this water, and after this you'll add some Mahan pouches in the cup. You'll not add directly to the water, you'll add into the cups, and over that we'll put boiled water. You can even use honey in this, and you can use jaggery powder, which is your shakkar. And as we have all the organic material in Samahan, so if you're having very bad sneezing and coughing, so you can even add on like cardamom, that is your elaichi. You can add dalchini, or you can even add mulethi in this, and that would be also beneficial. You can drink it even in daytime as you want. गाइस आप देख रहे हैं कि ये पानी उबल रहा है, एंड समाहन का जो पाउच है मैंने ऑलरेडी कप में डाल लिया है, एंड ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. एंड now we'll wait for the water to get a proper boil, and then we'll put it into the cups. Let's just wait. You can give it 2 or 3 boils. If you'll give only 1 boil, that is also enough. Now we'll switch off the knob, and we'll add the water to the cups. You can see its color, it's such a good color, and this will give you a very good and beneficial effect. You can even add tulsi in it, and tulsi leaves, or you can grind it and add it into it, so that will be also very beneficial for you. Now let's just mix it so that all the content gets mixed into the water. So guys, this is ready now, and it's very good for this phase, the pandemic which is going on of COVID-19. It's good in drinking in this phase, and this is only available online, so the link is in the description. You can go and check it out, and do share the video, do like the channel, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.